1032. Annaxx, January 24, 2023. Hi Big, give you all my love, would you accept me? Open your heart and warm arms, we'll jump into your arms and kiss you. Say hi to me, tell me your true thoughts. January 24, 2023. From Annaxx, Victoriaxx, January 27, 2023. Hi lovely, cooking is like a relationship. Feelings are important, the magic of desires, and a combination of tastes. Let's cook a delicious relationship? January 27, 2023. From Victoriaxx. Attachments. Helenxx.50, January 28, 2023. Hi lovely, spring has come. It is time to fall in love. Are you ready to catch the sweet woman? Can we hold hands forever? I hope we can see each other soon. January 28, 2023. From Helenxx. XiaoYu, February 13, 2023. Hi lovely. I am a retired university teacher, I teach art. Life is boring without love. I am old but still young in heart. Come to me, we fly toghter to enjoy our lives. February 13, 2023. From XiaoYu. Betty xxxx.54, February 24, 2023. Hi lovely. Do you have heard of a saying that woman is born to be made of water? I can't agree more with it. Don't you think my skin is as white, transparent and tender as water? But whether I am made of water, it needs you to spend time and your careness to taste. Are you willing to spend your precious time to explore me? You can know me something in my profile, but it's not all about me. Let me tell you more. I like music very much, a special Chinese folk music. When I am free, I usually play the zither, which is full of Chinese culture. Playing the zither makes me more temperament, showing my beauty and tenderness. I also like foreign music. Dear, do you want me to play the zither for you? It will bring all your tired away. And I'd love to play it for you. Reading is my another hobby, such as Gone with the Wind, English Lover, etc. Do you like reading? Now I can imagine that we sit on the soft sofa, reading our favorite books, so romantic. Hee hee. Working in the bank, but I am very tired, which couldn't be understood by others. As Confucius said, when you don't hold an office, you don't need to consider the policies. I wish there will be a man who can really understand me and give his shoulder or hug to me when I am tired. Only being minded strong, can I cling on until now because I have a son to bring up. However, I really want to take off my own disguises, lie in a man's arms, and find safety in his hug. Dear, just hug me tightly. All my need is just warm arms that can hold me when I feel cold, a shoulder I can lean when I am tired, and an attentive when I am ill. I am a woman. I can't totally hold up my family by myself, and this is not complete. I want an intact family. If you also have the same idea with me, just write a letter to me at once. Hope you can hold my hand and never let me go, and build up our love relationship. A beautiful lady is waiting for you. Good luck to both of us. Betty XX. I've been here long enough to be clear about what I'm looking for. And do you already know what you're looking for? Words have power. Do you agree? 2107 today. Will it be the saddest Christmas for me, or do you think you can change that in me? Smiling face with hearts, smiling face with hearts. Are you here to socialize and make friends, or are you looking for true love and your soulmate? I know I'm a little young, but I have a clear mind, and it's not just sending messages but not being able to see you face to face. Is that possible with you? Heart 523. I loved the enthusiasm of your photo. Where did you take it? Are you one of those who doesn't send messages and just comes to watch? Hi, how are you? Do you think we can get to know each other better? Do you think we could talk? 1035. It's better to try and fail, but know that you took on the challenge. You're one for me. You're going to let me try? 1844 December 7, 2022. Well, I know that maybe it's a coincidence to find us here. But don't you think this is a sign for you and me not to have bad experiences in this site again and start creating something real? 049 December 8th, 2022. I can prove to you that I am the most real and honest woman in this site, but it seems that you prefer to waste your time with other women. Don't you feel ready to have a real woman by your side? 203 round pushpin after December 20th. Big. What days could you give me? Round pushpin. Of course, you do not look like a thief, but, nevertheless, you easily manage to steal my peace. Elena XX. June 22, 2022. So your heart is already taken? Or is it a metaphor and you are just happy and enjoying life? 8:56 July 7, 2022. After the incident in Texas and Chicago, do you think it is correct that any U.S. citizen has the right to bear arms? 8:48 July 23, 2022. How do you see your ideal date? For me, it's a summer evening, a beach and a long conversation with a loved one. How do you think you would like such a date?